Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be setting up this little blow water slide, but let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm going to show you the setup, and then I'm going to actually put some clips of the kids actually playing on it. I definitely recommend this. I give it a 10 out of 10. The kids had a really fun day playing on this, and the whole neighborhood came together to play on it.
She's 100, so she's 30. I'm over 40.
What's the max weight?
It's 70.
Per person?
We didn't even go.
Yeah, for
Harper, are you over 70?
I don't know.
I think you
her
are.
up. I can tell. No, I know you want to go inside. That's going to get wet.
Okay, okay, well, you can't go on the slide, you can go right here.
Yeah,
You can't go on the slide.
I just have to be able to at least get a couple reviews before it. Something.
I'm going to jump.
Okay, so this has to go around this way. Bro, hey, I need to put it
No, I was going to connect it so you just don't get confused.
so
That's fine.
like this.
Oh, don't get all the dirt out.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.